So this is my friend Chris. You may remember her from some previous videos. She's been riding a motorcycle for quite a long time, maybe a decade, close to a decade anyway. That's kind of how long I've known her. But for the last year or two, she's been riding the wrong bike for her. It's way too tall. It's got a twitchy throttle. She's been very uncomfortable with it ever since she's had it. And today she just purchased another new to her bike, and we got out in the parking lot and did some drills to help her get a better feel and comfort for the bike.
All right, so the first thing is just big wide circles.
Okay.
Get used to the controls. That's the smoothest cruiser I've ever ridden. It's just smooth, nice smooth clutch, nice smooth power, doesn't vibrate. Lots of power, but you got to twist the throttle. So I would say just get used to the controls a little bit before you start turning tighter circles. Just up and down the parking lot, braking, turning a little bit, and the more comfortable you get, start turning in a little bit tighter. This is going to be quick for you. Don't be afraid of it. That's the main thing. Don't be afraid of it.
Someone's learning how to ride?
No, this is her first time on this bike. She's a good rider.
Okay.
Somebody's scared shitless.
Remember, that clutch is not like what you're used to. It's long. It takes a long time to engage, so you just roll it backwards a little bit. Don't tense up, just relax.
Should have took that CBD oil. You ready to pick it up if I drop it?
Yeah. I'm gonna let you try it I'll let you try it later with your back. Just let it out slowly, feel where it catches, and then realize it's another inch before it catches all the way. Give it a little bit of throttle. See where it catches. Well, you're in neutral, so go ahead and put it in gear. Is it? Okay. Get off your brake. Get off your brake.
It's just so weird to have a foot clear out there.
So, throttle it out. Hit second gear before you turn, and just do a big loop, and then come back here. Give us some throttle.
So Chris was very wise to start off riding her new bike in a parking lot, because she was very unsure of how the bike handles. This bike has got forward controls, and she hasn't ridden a bike with forward controls ever, and so it took a bit of getting used to the controls, and we did some drills with
Second
some
gear.
cones. Unfortunately, my camera didn't record
Third gear.
the drills, but she got some time in to get more comfortable. She still needs some more time to become more comfortable on the bike, but she did ride it back to the house, so I was real proud of her for that. And she's been riding for a decade or more, and she's got skills. It's just she's very uncomfortable since she dropped the other bike that's too tall for her so many times. She's lost all of her confidence, and she doesn't get a chance to ride as much. She's stuck at home taking care of her dad on the weekends, so she doesn't get the chance to ride as much as she would like, or anyone that likes to ride motorcycles would like. So, but this is the first step, and I wanted to share an idea of gaining some skills in a parking lot. It's Gymkhana at its most basic: turning, braking, throttling, and there's plenty more drills, and maybe in the next few weeks I'll share those drills with you too. Hopefully Chris will let me get out in the parking lot with her again, and we'll go through a few more skills.
Oh.
If you are interested in learning to ride better or just improving your skills, check out these videos. Check this woman out. She is amazing. This is actually what you can do if you practice your riding skills in a parking lot with some cones. Check them out.